Hello, how you doing? Quick salad today. We're going to make this potato and beetroot salad, but what gives it its big flavour is some pickles and some pickled onions in there. Really delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so we've got 2 cups of cooked potatoes, cut nice and small, 2 cups of beetroot, again, cut into that shape. Cut it how you want, entirely up to you. 1 cup of green peas, half a cup of pickled onions, half a cup of gherkins, which I've cut into small pieces, and there's about half a cup there of green onions. We're going to give that a little mix, then we're going to make a little dressing. Mixing bowl with the potatoes and the beets in, so we're just going to add that half cup of green onions, the 1 cup of green garden peas. They were a frozen pea, just kind of boiled them up, let them cool down. Half cup of the pickled onions, which is fabulous in this. This and the gherkin I think is really good, and half a cup there. You can adjust this as much as you like. Let me give that a little mix. Very simple little dressing we're going to make with a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Try and use a nice quality olive oil. 1/4 cup of vinegar. Now if you wanted, you could have used the vinegar that the pickled onions were in. Salt and black pepper. A little bit of garlic, like half a teaspoon there of garlic. A little bit of cilantro or some other herb that you might want. And then simple mix. Really, really simple, delicious little dressing that is. And then very simply, over that goes. One more mix, job done. Ready to serve. So easy, so simple, very tangy. And there you go, job done, beautiful. Hope you enjoy that, keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon, lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari, come on, help me out.